Hey everybody, welcome to 10 Types of Sneezes. And it actually, what was I about to say? Actually? Okay, whatever. Welcome to 10 Types of Sneezes. This actually isn't Marie Guillory talking right now. It's actually LPS ECLIPSE. I don't have any videos yet, but be sure to subscribe when I do. But Marie Guillory is going to be in the video. So yeah. Okay, let's get started. Sneeze number 1. The quiet one. Sneeze number 2. The loud one. I really am sorry about this. Sneeze number 3. The weird one. Sneeze number 4, the fast one. Sneeze number 5, the slow one. Sneeze number 6, the, what was it? The high-pitched one. Jada, that's enough. Sneeze number 7, the one that never ends. Okay, that's enough. Sneeze number 8, the one that makes you go flying. Okay, sneeze number 9, the one that makes spit come out. I think she spit on Jay's lid.
Oh my gosh, I did.
Oh. Number 10. What was it? Did we already do the fake one?
No.
The fake one.
Achoo.
All right. Thank you for watching, everybody. See ya. Bye.